how to make vegan oatmeal cookies. It will also be a healthy oatmeal cookies. In fact, I made this recipe a few times and it turns out perfect. It is an easy oatmeal cookie. I'm Elisha and I'm going to show you how to make the healthy oatmeal cookie. So let's begin. Ingredients we have are some oats, some oat flour, some raisins and nuts. Those are optional. We also have some vanilla powder, some sea salt, and some nutmeg powder. Coconut oil, almond milk, which you can use any other plant-based milk. Some maple syrup, and the last thing we have is some baking powder. You can find the measurements for all of these ingredients in the description below this video. We're going to put our dry ingredients into the big bowl. And our powder. Spatula! We're gonna mix it all together to incorporate the dry ingredients. Let's put our maple and our almond milk. And our last ingredient is the coconut oil. We're using coconut oil to firm up and bind all the ingredients together when it goes in the fridge later. Using oat flour for this recipe, which we made a gluten-free oat flour recipe. It will be somewhere up here, and all the links that I leave in this video will be in the description below this video or the comment, depending where you are watching it on. Dough look about good. We're gonna put this to the fridge to chill for around 10 minutes. Be right back.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hello, I'm Caleb and I'm here to tell you about our book, The Amazing Coloring and Learning Book of Fruits and Veg. You should get this book because each and every single page here in this book has been designed to help your kids and you to learn about fruits and vegetables, which are healthy for your body. These fruits and vegetables here are either drawn by me or my brother Elisha. That gives you a fact and a benefit about the fruit or the vegetable. Durian. Let me read this out. I'll pop it up on the screen here. A durian is a big fruit with a strong smell and a hard shell with sharp thorns. Durian trees can reach a height of 50 meters. It helps to boost your immune system. So this book you should get. It's a great learner's book for you and your children. Plus the children can have fun coloring the fruits and vegetables. You can get this book on Amazon.com or Amazon.ca. Or you can scan this QR code here to take you to the book.
I'm back with the dough that I made. It's been in the fridge for around 15 minutes. Now we got a cookie scooper, which we're going to press out some cookies on the tray. And we're gonna press it slightly down. We're gonna bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 21 minutes. They'll be baking soon.
Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. Now let's go back to the video.
We let it cool to its room temperature. So we're gonna try a cookie. It's sweet and it's nice and chewy. Oh, kicked with it, and with a nice glass of milk, it will be eaten squib down. It is so delicious. You can taste the vanilla and the raisins. They're tasty. Thank you for taking time to watch our videos, and we appreciate it as a Berkeley Chef. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hit that like button if you liked the video, and I'll see you in another video next time. Bye! That's that oat kick to it, and it would do